Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change a location on iOS 18. Changing your location on iOS 18 can be useful for various reasons, such as accessing geo-restricted content or protecting your privacy. So here are a few steps you can follow. First of all, go ahead and tap Open Settings app from your iOS 18. Tap Open Settings app from your iOS device. From the Settings menu, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will open up your Apple account interface. Scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Click on View Account in the pop-up beneath. From your account settings page, tap on Country/Region. Click on Change Country or Region on the next page and select your new country or region by tapping on it. Agree to the terms and conditions by tapping Agree at the top right and follow the prompts and update your payment information. Right after you enter all of the payment information, billing name and billing addresses in the text boxes, click the Next button at the top right corner in order to change your location on iOS 18. And right after you are done, you will be changing your location or your region right away. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.